Hey guys, how are you? Hope all you are doing well. I recently bought a microphone and its name is Vertex Crusader. Wait, the name is not over. The name is not over. Its name is Vertex Crusader Unidirectional Hypersensitive Cardioid Gaming Microphone. So it's a big name. More interestingly, I found a cool feature in it. So at the end of the unboxing, I will reveal what it is. And lastly, with my busy schedule, I am recording this video in a noisy background. But I am not going to edit the audio so that you can judge on this microphone. Okay, let's begin the unboxing. So this microphone is having a good build quality. It has a RGB light system. When it's mute, it's all red. All the other times, it's other colors. It has 4 controllers to control the light, mute, change the mic's gain, volume of the output and echo. And there is USB Type-C port in it and with headphone out option. So the cool feature I found is it has a touch mute button on top of it. When we touch it, we can mute or unmute. So this is a very cool feature and also an important feature because when you want to mute, we just have to touch it. So thank you for watching this video. I'm not an expert in doing technical videos, but as I bought a microphone, I did this short video. So if you have questions, you can comment down and subscribe to my channel for more medical videos. If you are still watching it, you are a legend. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.